everybody, Rhea here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So, I bought a cheese sauce from a fellow YouTuber. This video is not sponsored at all. I am simply supporting her business. So if you are vegan, 9 times out of 10 you may have heard of Fineapple Vegan, and she has a sauce called Díor. It's a cheese sauce called Díor. I placed an order. I ordered the 2-pack and it came in this cute box. It's cute. It's really cute. It's nice. I'm going to show you that. Got my address on the other side. Don't need nobody coming to find me. But this is pretty cool. So I'm going to open this box so we can see what this package look like. Okay. Boy, she made sure this thing was packaged nice and tight. Ooh, child, hold up. Okay. Oh, nice. The inside of the box. She got a nice little black thing, little cover. Okay, all right. These empty. This is nice. She got it packed up real nice. Okay, so gotta lift it. Oh, it's bubble wrap. Good God. She bubble wrapped it and all. Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, nice. Got all the little spices and stuff in there. Okay. I'm gonna open up this one. And yeah, so it's cute. Got her little logo on the side. So what we finna do is make something with this. So stay tuned so you can see what I'm gonna do with this, because I can't wait to try this. Okay, I'm starting by putting some garlic infused oil into my skillet. Smells good and tastes really good. Now I'm adding 1 whole green bell pepper and 1 whole red bell pepper. Into that I'm adding 1 whole white onion. Doesn't matter what kind of onion you use. Well, actually that's a yellow onion. But doesn't really matter what kind you use. I prefer Vidalia, but yellow is what I had. Okay, so now that everything's stirred up, I'm adding my garlic. Your vegetables are getting soft at this point, and you see the onions are almost translucent. You're gonna stir that up until the garlic starts to smell, which is not for very long because you don't want it to burn. So now I'm adding the Beyond Beef. You can use Impossible, or you can rehydrate some TVP into like a vegan broth or something and use that. And then you're just gonna break that up. And now I'm adding my homemade chili seasoning. You do not have to make this from scratch. I just prefer to. It tastes a lot better. But you can use any brand that you want. Just make sure you read the back of the package and make sure it's vegan friendly. So you're going to stir that until it's all combined. And once it's all combined, you're going to start adding your other veggies. And here I'm adding a small can of corn and 2 cans of red kidney beans. And you're going to stir that up until that's fully combined. And now that that's combined, okay, you see that look good, don't it? Very festive looking. So now I'm going to add some vegan chicken broth, okay? All I did was take better than bouillon, no chicken base, and mix it with some hot spring water. You want it hot because you don't want your food to stop simmering, okay? You don't want it to cool off. You don't have to put all of that in there. You can put half of what I put in there if you want. That was 2 cups. So you make sure you get all of the bouillon out of the bottom because all of it will not dissolve. And I didn't have any tomatoes, so I added that's about a half a jar of ragu pasta sauce. So I added that instead. It was just as good. So you stir that until it's fully combined. You see it's a little loose, but we're gonna fix that. Okay, so here I'm adding a flurry that's tapioca starch and water. As you can see, it's a bit on the light side, which means I did not put enough tapioca starch in it. So I did put more in there, but you won't see me do it in this video. You let it simmer. You want to cover it up, let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And there it goes. It's a lot thicker from me adding the extra starch. And I'm topping it on some zesty curly fries. I'm finna make a mess, okay? But there you have it. Okay, so I finished with my chili, and as you can see, looks pretty good. And now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour it over the top. Wait a minute, let me shake that up. That look good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it, but it looks really good. There you go. Okay, so now I already tried the sauce. Like, I had my finger in the jar not too long after I filmed the first part of the video. Sorry, camera jacked up. But let me see. Let's try this. Oh my God. So what y'all didn't see me add, I forgot to add a sweetener. So, you know, to help balance out all those bold flavors. So I added a little bit of this. And y'all, oh my God. And yo, this is good. I mean, not trying to toot my own horn because, you know, I use my own chili spice, you know. I make my own chili seasoning and stuff. And this is really good. And this is made with coconut. I highly recommend y'all actually try this. It's good. It's really good. A Fineapple vegan. Miss Brittany, honey, you did that. It's good. This is really good. Also got these for, you know, my kids like doing their stuff like this, so I got these in case the kids wanted to put some over some nachos. But this right here, definitely going on my freezer, my bulk freezer cooking menu. This is good. So I'm about to end this video. Should you guys actually try this recipe? Let me know what you think about it. And please give this a try. It's really good. If you buy this and you try it, let me know what you think. This is really good. And I believe she does tell you how you can actually thicken it. I like this as is. I like it as is. But when you put it in the refrigerator though, it does get a little thick because the coconut. But that's something I'm definitely gonna order this again. Definitely gonna make this again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you have any video requests or any dish that you would like me to veganize, just let me know down below in the comments. And I will definitely add it to my list. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys to the moon and back. And I will see you in the next upload. Peace out. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.